film my Europe haul, so I just took out some time and I'm gonna do this for you because I shopped like a crazy person, like I had said, because I hadn't been shopping in Delhi, and I got some really good stuff which I'm super excited to show you guys. And the reason I'm here for only one day is because tomorrow morning I have a flight to Melbourne in Australia because YouTube is sending me for VidCon. Oh my. Okay, I couldn't tell you guys earlier because they asked me to not like tell it on a vlog. I even recorded it, but I had to edit that part out. But now I can tell you guys. So I'm going to VidCon. Like, what is happening? I'm here for a day. I said hi to my parents. I had dal chawal. My friend Tanisha is behind the camera today. So yeah, I'm going to do the haul and let's get started. And one of you guys suggested that I should do like an unpacking video, which is very, very smart. Thank you. I suck at unpacking and it takes me a month usually to unpack. So this way I get my unpacking done too. I bought a bottle of wine yesterday from Budapest and I'm like praying to God that it hasn't broken in my suitcase. We shall find out. Put so much stuff. It's alive! Oh my God, yes, I'm so happy that it didn't break, thank God. The first thing, of course, is the bottle of wine that managed to stay alive through the flight. So Budapest has some really good wines and I had to bring one back home for all my alcoholic friends. And this is just a rosé. I don't know like if this brand is any good or anything. I just got the one that I saw. Also, children, please don't drink. I am legal to drink in Budapest, hence I got this. So this is a pair of like really cool track pants that I got from this store called Things I Like and Love. Like I haven't seen anything like this in India. It's super cool. The fit is really nice and also like the material is super soft. So like you can practically sleep in these. Are really soft. Moving on. Let's check this bag. Oh, okay. So I got this really awesome shirt. I actually got it from Mohawk and I think it's pretty cool. I don't think he'll wear it actually because it's not his style. His style is really boring. I might end up just wearing it myself over like a black dress or something. And then I got him another like plain t-shirt which I'm pretty sure he'll wear. Like it's like absolutely plain. But it's really nice and soft. So that's nice. And then, oh! So I went to PRIMARK in Berlin and I lost my shit there. Like because the store is so good. I got this really nice blanket scarf. It's so soft. I wish I could make you guys feel this, but it's like a furry little dog. And this color is also so pretty and this is awesome. I got this bag too from PRIMARK and this added an extra bag to my luggage, but it's so nice. It has like these patches and stuff over here, another pocket. I filled it up with my jeans because my bags didn't have place to hold my extra clothes. Let's see if I have anything else in this bag. Okay, no I don't. Oh, okay, this I got from a vintage store in Amsterdam. So this is one of those, I don't want to wear it right now. This is one of those like really cool, I don't know what they're called. If you know what they're called, please tell me. But they're super fashionable right now and I need to learn how to wear this properly though. And it was like 25 euros, which is a little bit steep, but I knew I wouldn't find a hat like this here, so that's why I got it. Oh, I got this Harry Potter shirt from PRIMARK. It has Quidditch on it and it also has Gryffindor. Okay, like this is the coolest t-shirt I own. I got this belt again from a vintage store. I've been wanting a black belt for so long because they're really popular and they look really good with jeans. And I got this dress also from PRIMARK. I've worn it already so it looks really dirty. But it's like a white shirt dress and it has this like tie-up thing also here, which is really pretty. I wore it in this one beautiful city that I went to called Český Krumlov. Looks really nice. I got this super cute crop top from this place called Pull & Bear. I know it looks really tiny, but I swear it fits me.
Stupid house construction.
अबे हाँ यार ये लोग हमारे घर के साइड में घर बना रहे हैं मॉल बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा हो गया वो. Okay, let's stop. The color is really nice too, so this one's pretty cute. Okay, what's next? Okay, this is like the coolest thing that I've got. It's a rose gold freaking charging wire. Okay. And I got this again from PRIMARK and it's for like 5 euros, which is less than 500 rupees, and that's the same price you get at Chroma for like those ugly wires. And I was thinking, you know, this would be like such a waste of money, but I thought कि कभी नहीं मिलने वाला India में, so that's why I got it. It also has a C-type cable, which is like I got a bunch of accessories like as gifts for people. Tanisha, मैं तुझे तेरा gift ही दे दूँगी. I found this really cute thing again from a vintage store. These are like little badges you can put on a bag or your shirt. So they have like cool stuff written on it. Like this one is shell, yeah, it has a cactus, super cute. Like I didn't think I would find stuff like this here. So I got my mom these really beautiful pair of earrings. I think she'll look really pretty in them. It was her birthday, so it's her birthday gift. Okay, you guys. With my friends Tanisha, Khyati and Shreya, I got like cool earrings.
Yeah, and for the first time I'm the first one here, so I get to choose first.
Yeah. So these are owl earrings. Tanisha is obsessed with cats, so I got her cat earrings. I got these from a flea market on Charles Bridge, which is in Prague. Got another necklace for my mom. This beautiful necklace from the flea market again. I think she looks so pretty in it. So when I was in Amsterdam, बंद करो घिसाई यार, जब मैं shoot कर रही हूँ लेकिन घिसाई करनी है. So when I was in Berlin and Amsterdam, I didn't realize how cold it would be, and it was really cold. So I had to buy myself another pair of jeans. So I got these from BERSHKA. You don't have this in India, so I got myself like this baggy, like mom jean fit. It looks really cool with the black belt that I got. So yeah, basic. Oh, where's my denim jacket? Here. I got such a cool denim jacket from PRIMARK again. Oh my god, like I love it. It's like a perfect denim jacket. So happy about this one. And I think this is the last thing in the haul. I got myself this cute little bag from Budapest, like randomly on the street. Yeah, that's it. So I guess that concludes my haul, and so happy to share all this exciting stuff with you. I sound like I'm giving a speech, but anyway, this was fun. Subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video, and I am off to Australia tomorrow, which is insane. And comment below what you're excited to or where you want to go travel to, and be excited for my vlog series. I will take some time to edit it because I want it to be really good and well edited. So look out for that, and I'll see you guys soon.